They've been assaulted by Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan. I have with me Mr. Iqbal Mir Sharma and his father-in-law, Mr. Patel. I'd like to start at the very beginning. Can you just tell us, Mr. Sharma, what exactly happened?
Well, we were enjoying a meal at the restaurant, and my family and I, and Saif and his friends were at a nearby table, and they were being quite loud and raucous, and so we asked the management to please intervene and ask them to keep it down. This failed on about 3 attempts at least, and so then we decided to move downstairs because the restaurant is upstairs, downstairs. So we asked the waiter to bring our remainder of our meals and coffees downstairs. In the meantime, Saif had gone out of the restaurant and he was coming back in while we were going out. So we crossed near the narrow passage going downstairs. And at that point he came up to me and he abused me, calling me names. Why am I complaining? If I want quiet, I should go to a library. This is not a library. And who do I think I am? Don't I know who he is? And so we exchanged some words, and then he pushed me. And at that time, my father-in-law came in to sort of intervene so that it doesn't get any worse than that. And then Saif attacked him. Saif assaulted him and punched him, and then his 3 other friends came from the table and also climbed in. There was no time to talk or anything. They just started reeling in punches.
Do you know the identity of 3 other men who also attacked you besides Saif Ali Khan?
There's one gentleman, Shakil Ladakh, who we've discovered. I don't know the other 2 gentlemen, but I'm sure there are witnesses who would know who they are. I'm from overseas, so I don't know who these people are.
Mr. Patel, you're a senior citizen. If I'm not wrong, you're 68 years old. From your perspective, at what part of the scuffle did you really get in, and what happened after that?
When Saif pushed him hard on his chest, and then I screamed at him, and I put my hand towards him and tried to sort of block him, and I screamed at him, and then he gave me a glancing blow on my jaw.
Saif punched you?
Yeah, on my jaw, on my left side of the face.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I went backwards. By then, of course, his friends came out and they started throwing blows and pushing, and all the weight I fell down, and I had great difficulty in getting up because I'm not well at all. And thereafter, I saw him bleeding profusely through his nose. There's blood all over my shirt, and then we all went downstairs. And we were standing downstairs, and all of a sudden, one of his friends comes there. He walks towards me, and I don't know what's his name really. He walks towards me.
Shakil Ladakh is what you're saying?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. He walks towards me and gives me a hard shot on my jaw again. And that's when I went flying down, and my glasses went flying. Why he did that, I don't know. But obviously, they got frustration and anger. They're taking on anybody.
Was there a particularly violent exchange of words, or was it very abusive? I mean, this seems like a pretty violent fight for them to be getting down to fist fights. Down to blows in a fist fight.
Oh, no, there wasn't a very violent exchange. But the fact was, I think he was perturbed that we had the audacity to ask the management to ask them to be quiet.
Right. And where was the hotel security at this point? I mean, because you're dining at the Taj, so where's the hotel security at this point?
They weren't around.
And at no point did they intervene?
No.
Okay. So if I could just ask my camera person actually to, if you could show us the nature of your injury and where did they hit you?
Well, my nose is broken. I have a fracture on the top here. My eardrum is sore. I've got bruising and pain behind my head here, and some bruising over here.
And there's some scars over here too. Okay. Yeah. And so what about you?
No, I had some injury here, and I got hurt here, and I got a bruise here, but I fell down.
Oh God! So what did you guys do next? I mean, did you go to the police first, or what was the next recourse that you guys took?
We asked the Taj to call the police. We called the police, and there was difficulty getting through to the police on 100. And we then went to the hospital, and then after that we went to the police station.
Okay, and you got your medical examination done for the both of you at the GT hospital, right? And what were the reports?
The reports are there that I have a broken nose, and the bruising on the face and things like that. They had observed all that.
There's an important question here, obviously, that now the story is already making headlines, but besides the police complaint, what is the next legal course of action that you guys are planning on taking?
Well, we intend to pursue this to the full extent of the law. So the criminal process must take its course, and then we will look at a civil process as well. We're engaging with our attorneys. We will consider that later, but we're keeping our options open. But we will pursue this to the full extent of the law.
So you're a senior citizen. In your view, do you think this is a case of maybe actors throwing their weight around and kind of crossing a line here with the general public?
Look, it appeared that way. It appeared that way. You know, they were very rowdy. It appeared that...
Were they under the influence of alcohol?
Well, that I cannot say, you know, but they were very rowdy, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And there is no way of behaving in a place like the Taj, in a restaurant like the Wasabi. You know, it's more like an exclusive place. It's a Japanese restaurant. Very few people go there.
Right.
And for them to behave in that manner, is intolerable.
Right. You were saying something.
I'm saying that we can't say whether they were drunk or intoxicated or whatever, but sober people don't behave like that.
Okay, my final question, has the police gotten in touch with you, and what is the process next? I mean, have you given your statement to the police? Is there, what happens next?
We don't know. We've given our statement to the police, and that was last night, early this morning. So far we have not been contacted by the police for what is the next steps.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. We hope you get justice, and we hope you get at least some kind of an apology from the police, and the police takes this forward.